The Garvee garden trellis. Kind of like it. It was pretty easy to put together. Has these nice clips here actually. Kind of holds it in place. You can actually move it if you wish. It anchors into the ground just by taking the feet and putting them into the ground. There is a netting, and I don't like this netting. I've never had good luck with dealing with netting like this because I just can't figure it out. So I'm going to change that out and just put some chicken wire or maybe some other kind of metal climbing stuff that I might use in the garden. And just because it would be so much easier to attach. But it's pretty good height. It's, shoot, I put this bar right at 6 feet. So now the only fault I see is they don't tell you where to put these. So I just put it as high as I could here, a few inches down from here so I could walk underneath it. So if that's at 6 feet, then you know the whole thing there is pretty tall. This looks off because it is. Because I wish it would put a marker on where the center was. So I'm going to have to play around with that. But outside that, the garden trellis is beautiful. See you, bye, have fun.